चलिए अब आपको सीधे लिए चलते हैं। यस बैंक के संकट पर एसबीआई की तरफ से बेहद अहम प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की जा रही है।
Makes it about 5,500 crore or odd amount, right? And 2,450 crore you have said from the beginning. So this is the total commitment in terms of if it is 26%, if it is 49%, double that. So maybe 10,000 crore order.
Okay, so I have two.
So my
one by
here
one.
sometimes, yeah.
One by one, you people are in great hurry. I am not. So please answer every question. So Ritu, that satisfies your question. I can move to the next slide. No, then you come back. I'll come back. Yeah, please. Saloni, what are you?
So, sir, the assumption here is that you would invest 25% of
26%.
Yeah, no, 25% of the whatever amount is required.
26.
No, you just said that
26%.
presuming 20,000 crore is the investment
So
required.
26% of that.
Okay.
So 5,200 crore.
Okay. So are you already in talks with private equity investors? Because there were some names which were released by the bank earlier as well, and they were in, but the board was already in talks with them. So are these the same people who you are in talks with?
There are many potential investors. After seeing the scheme, they have approached us, and there are some good names. What we have to keep in mind that whatever and whoever is the co-investor or has willingness, there are 2-3 things there. One is that what are the RBI guidelines? So anybody who wants to go above 5%, they have to meet the fit and proper criteria of Reserve Bank of India. If they are foreign institutional investors, they have to be eligible under foreign FDI or FPI guidelines. So there are certain regulatory norms when it comes to investment in the financial sector, particularly the banks. Why investor interest? What I am seeing that even the troubled institutions, whether it is NBFC or HFC or now the bank, there is a considerable investor interest in the financial sector of the country. So investors are seeing an opportunity here. We conducted a bid, one of the NBFCs, just last week, and very good response received, good recovery for the lenders of that NBFC. One HFC which is under administration, at least we have received, I am told, 23 expression of interest. And for Yes Bank also, people have reached out. These are all initial discussions. And then we will discuss with them, our investment team will discuss with them, work out what are the possibilities which meet regulatory guidelines. And then, of course, in consultation with Reserve Bank of India, subject to their complying fit and proper criteria. So we may present a plan to Reserve Bank of India along with some other names also. That is a possibility. So no firm decision, because as I said that the process is that we have received the draft scheme. It has to be vetted, examined legally. The investment team will their due diligence.
तो यस बैंक के संकट को लेकर एसबीआई ये यहाँ पर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रही थी और ये बता रही थी कि क्या वो प्लान कर रही है। ये बताया गया कि 49% जो शेयर है वो खरीद सकते हैं। इस पर एसबीआई की जो टीम है वो प्लान कर रही है और यस बैंक की क्या जरूरत है उसके मुताबिक ही निवेश किया जाएगा। जो अब तक का प्लान है वो है 2,450 करोड़ का निवेश होगा।